Hey there, friend. I'm absolutely thrilled to dive into the fascinating world of Azure API management, especially when it comes to controlling authentication for your APIs. This isn't just about securing your APIs, but also about enhancing performance, simplifying the developer experience, and ensuring compliance with enterprise-grade security standards. Imagine your APIs as the gatekeepers of your digital services, and with Azure API management, you are the master of all entries, with the power to enforce strict authentication protocols that keep your data safe and untampered with. Let's picture your application as a bustling city where APIs are like the streets and highways. In a bustling metropolis, controlling who gets in and out of the city center is crucial for safety, isn't it? Similarly, Azure API management enables you to do just that, ensuring that only authenticated requests make their way towards your backend services. Now, I'm going to share some insights into how you can implement robust authentication using Azure API management. First, understanding the authentication as a service model of APIM is central. It doesn't matter if you are going the multi-factor or single sign-on route, Azure API management standardizes the approach, providing a consistent user experience across your APIs. When it comes to setting up authentication, Azure API management empowers you to configure OAuth, Azure AD, or any custom authentication flows you've got. You can even enforce strong password policies, expire tokens automatically, or require two-factor authentication to ensure every request is legit. Implementing these methods within Azure API management is super straightforward and well documented. Think of it as setting the right locks and keys to your backdoor city. Moreover, Azure API management offers the capability to create user and API usage policies. These policies directly control how your APIs respond to particular requests. Say you have different